Power on. The first interface to enter. This is the body part selection interface. The following is the button to pump water. And the drain button. There is LED function here. Knee, legs, joints, elbows, feet, wrists and back, thighs, buttocks, shoulder. If we want to operate, just click the selected part directly. After selection, you can also long press for about 3 seconds. It will go into the background of the part we selected. In the background, there will be recommended frequency, energy, number of treatments, and probes. And this treatment. We are based on this parameter. Click here to return. Then click this button again. You can enter it for use. After coming in, there will be a main operation interface. So here it is. Here we briefly talk about. The first is the setting of the frequency, then the energy setting, the setting of these two parameters. Add and subtract through these two arrows. And then done. Here is the total number of runs recorded by the handle. Here is the total number of runs recorded on the machine. Here is the preset number of runs. The preset number of runs can be passed through the following. Adjust this minus and plus. For example, the number of additional runs each time is 100. Reduce the hair by hundreds and adjust the settings like this. Then the total number of these two runs. It will not be cleared because the machine is turned off. Even if we shut down, it is also stored on the handle and machine. We have a chip for storage. Then this way. There is a recommended probe. We can also go back. Go to the background of the part to check. The recommended probes here are no, sir, and no. So we can get through here. And check here on the main operation interface. After setting, click here. The handle is ready. In a state of readiness, the water here on the handle will automatically be pumped onto the probe. Wait for this water to be pumped onto the probe. We can only use it after it is fully filled. We can now find out there is a bubble here. Obviously a bubble larger than 2 centimeters. We normally have to completely drain this bubble. If there are bubbles larger than 2 centimeters in the probe here, we can hold the probe facing down like this. Then shake it and pick it up. At this point, the bubbles are completely drained. Remember, if this big bubble appears here, we have to get rid of it completely to be used. Otherwise, it will affect the strength of its energy output. Be sure to remember, the probe can only be used if it is fully filled with water. Otherwise, the probe pick will break down or burn out. Power is set in waterproof state. We prepare, then start on the button of the handle. It's turned on now. It's working. The light will flicker when working. And on the screen, the number of runs of the handle will be recorded. The default number of runs here will decrease. The addition and subtraction here can control the energy. frequency control can only be set on the screen. Press the button again. It just stops. This is the use on the handle. Then in this position other parts. Similarly, each part has a corresponding background. There's not much to explain here. And finally, there's the drain. The drainage function can be understood as pumping water to the probe. All the customer needs to replace the water in the machine water tank later. We can also use this drainage function. Drainage steps. We went to shoot separately. Customers can learn at that time. We won't demonstrate it here. The other is to replace the probe. We need to pump water. Click to pump. It will transfer the water stored on the probe back to the tank, then replace it. We can wait until the water is fully pumped in. If you can't move after you get here, we can turn the handle this way. If there is still water, we also keep this arrangement. Let it pump. After it's completely pumped clean, we disassemble. The probe is a semicolon. From thin to thick or from low to high. This is No. 1, No. 2, No. 3, No. 4, No. 5. Head 4 is specifically designed for the treatment of VD. This ring is the handle used to hold the probe in place. Each probe has the deepest possible depth of treatment. No. 1 小时 it can go as deep as 75. No. 2小时 it can reach a maximum of 60. Head 3 can reach 45. Number 4 can reach 30. Number 5 can reach 20. The unit of depth is m. We are going to suggest according to the parameters in the background. Then replace the probe accordingly. For example, the customer wants to operate No. 5小时 it. Let's put this head this way and stuff it into this circle. Then release it and it will get stuck. By where it's stuck? Mainly this location. There's a concave groove here. This groove will get stuck inside the plastic ring for fixing. We will install it on the handle after we replace the head. Remember, the handle should be fully pumped to replace the probe. Otherwise, when we unscrew, this water keeps flowing out. In addition, when installing the probe, this thread must be aligned. If there is a slight deviation, as soon as the customer screws it in, it will cause, later, when he wants to screw it out again, there is no way to twist it anymore, because it's completely locked. After we align, we slowly twist it. Just tighten it. After tightening, we'll put water here. Or directly click ready. It will automatically pump water to the probe. Again here. Replace probe. It has a certain water flow and is not completely pumped clean, so when changing the probe later, we'll lose a small part of the water. Like here, we'll replace the probe after we pump it. We need to unscrew it. After unscrewing this location, there may be some residual water on this diaphragm. so it will have a little bit of water coming out. This is normal. The later stage is about 10 days, or about half a month to a month. We will replenish the machine with purified water again. That is, the step method of adding water like we just demonstrated, to replenish the water in the tank, so it won't cause it to be late due to replacement of the probe, and this part of the water is lost. There is not enough water in the tank. This is one of the dots. Let's demonstrate it here. After installing the probe, it can be drained through the button to drain water. Pump water over the probe. Also, after drawing here, there's no way to fill it up again. Let's just pour it down and shake it. Or take a pad to drain the bubble. That's it. Then we turn off the bloody button. You can enter it to prepare, then start the operation. During operation, it must be matched with gel. It can be on this silicone head. Apply enough gel. It's easier to transfer energy to our bones. It acts as a medium to transmit energy. This way, when the energy is transmitted in, no wear and tear. Then we press against the part and start with the slow movement method to find the pain point in the client's area. Then at the point of pain, perform slow movement operations. The handle of our machine is a consumable. After using a certain number of rounds, the energy of this handle may gradually decay energy. It will gradually weaken, but it won't fail to work directly. So, customer, if the handle energy is weakened in the later stage, this is also a normal phenomenon. Until the handle has no power at all, customers can buy a new handle, replace and use. We will give feedback to customers' pain points during the process. Just make adjustments. Generally, we can follow the suggestions of the background. Perform energy adjustment. If customers want higher energy, the highest is 20, the highest here is 15. Let's talk about it here first. Work at the highest energy state. After a long time, when his energy intensity loss will be relatively low energy, it'll be faster. Therefore, it is recommended that customers generally work at an energy value around 12. This is enough to treat the site. If he sets the energy value of 20 to operate, then the energy of the handle decays. It may be faster. The number of rounds is less than 1 million. It may be hundreds of thousands, which will directly decay. Then you may need a new handle. This depends on the energy intensity used by the customer.